Hello and welcome to another unlocking video. Today I'll show you how to unlock your iPhone when it says locked to owner. Let's get started. First, tap on the information button in the top right corner of your screen. This will display the IMEI and serial number of your iPhone. Be sure to copy or write down one of these, as you'll need it to unlock your device. Once you have the number, power off your iPhone before beginning the unlocking process. Next, you'll need another phone with an internet connection. It doesn't matter if it's an iPhone or an Android, either one will work. Once you have your second device ready, go to iCloud unlocked.Com. Enter the IMEI or serial number from your locked iPhone, and the unlock button will appear. Click Start Unlock and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked for verification. Simply choose an app from the list and follow the instructions provided. Typically, you'll need to install the app and run it for about 30 seconds. After completing the app verification, turn on your iPhone and check if it's unlocked. And that's it. That's how you unlock an iPhone when it's locked to the owner. For more videos like this, make sure to check out my channel. I share various tips, tricks, and exploits to unlock different kinds of phones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Just a quick reminder, you can also unlock your phone through desktop by going on the same website, activelock.com. I really prefer the mobile version since it is much easier to complete the verification task required to obtain your unlock. But if you do not have access to a mobile phone, you can also try this way. The procedure is completely the same. You write down your IMEI number and then follow the steps. Happy unlocking. See you.